The popular Honda Civic lineup has been updated for the 2025 model year, featuring refreshed styling, advanced technology, and a new hybrid powertrain. The introduction of the hybrid model is significant, with Honda expecting it to account for about 40% of Civic sales. This move highlights Honda's commitment to electrification, following the launch of the all-electric Prologue and the hydrogen-powered CR-VE, FCEV. The Civic Hybrid is touted as the most powerful non-Type R Civic to date, utilizing a 2.0-liter engine paired with dual electric motors to produce a combined 200 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque. Although performance data has not been released, Honda claims the hybrid is faster than the previous 1.5-liter turbocharged model and should achieve around 50 mpg on the EPA cycle. Alternatively, customers can choose a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter engine with 158 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque. Both engine options drive the front wheels, with the Civic using a CVT and the Civic Hybrid an eCVT. For 2025, the Civic's exterior receives minor updates, including a new grille and sportier front bumper, and darkened rear taillights for the sedan. Hybrid models feature a unique front bumper and color-coded headlight garnish. The lineup will include 4 trims: LX, Sedan Only, Sport, Sport Hybrid, and Sport Touring Hybrid. The Sporty C trim is not mentioned but is expected to return later. All Sport trims feature black 18-inch wheels and darkened exterior trim, while the Sport Touring Hybrid gets exclusive machine-finished alloy wheels. New exterior colors include Blue Lagoon Pearl, Sedan Only, Sand Dune Pearl, Hatchback, Solar Silver Metallic, and Urban Gray Pearl. Inside, updates are mainly reserved for the hybrid models. The Sport Touring Hybrid trim debuts Google built-in, allowing users to access Google Assistant, Google Maps, and various apps through Google Play, supported by a 3-year unlimited data plan. Google Assistant enables hands-free control of vehicle functions, making calls, and setting navigation destinations. The hybrid models offer a gray interior color scheme, with Sport Hybrid trims featuring standard heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and a sunroof.